In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Confluence in read-only mode. This quick guide will ensure that you can easily switch your Confluence workspace to a state where it can be viewed by everyone, but only a select few can edit. This is especially useful when you need to freeze the content for auditing, archiving, or simply to prevent changes during a critical time period. Let's dive right in and start by visiting the Confluence website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in using Google. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you use for Confluence. It's a straightforward process, but remember, using the correct account is crucial to access your specific workspace and make the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Confluence dashboard. Here you'll see various spaces or projects you're working on. Click on the space you wish to modify. Spaces in Confluence are great for organizing your work and collaborating with your team. Think of them as folders on your computer where similar documents are kept together, making them easier to find and manage. After selecting your space, it's time to navigate to the specific page you want to change the settings for. If you have a lot of pages, it might take a moment to find the right one, but you can use the search function to speed up the process. Each page in Confluence can have its own unique settings, allowing for granular control over who gets to do what. Next, look for the lock icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your page. This icon is your gateway to adjusting the permissions of the page. Clicking on it will reveal several options related to page access and editing capabilities. You're going to want to select the option that reads "Anyone in this space can view, only some can edit." This setting is the essence of read-only mode. It allows everyone who has access to the space to view the content, making sure that the information is accessible, yet only a select number of individuals have the power to make edits. This helps in maintaining the integrity of the content while allowing for necessary reviews or audits to occur. Now for the final step, simply click on Apply. This action confirms your settings and implements the changes immediately. And just like that, you have successfully set your Confluence page to read-only mode for the general audience, with editing rights reserved for a few. Remember, the steps we've just walked through can be applied to any page within your Confluence space, giving you the flexibility to manage access as your project or workspace evolves. Be mindful of who has editing rights, as these individuals will be the only ones able to update or change the content moving forward. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to put Confluence in read-only mode. Adjusting permissions in your workspace can ensure that your content remains as static or dynamic as you need it to be, tailoring the collaboration experience to suit your project's requirements. Whether you're preparing documentation for a review or simply need to protect the integrity of your data during a critical update, knowing how to manage view and edit permissions in Confluence is an invaluable skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your collaborative tools.